Yep.
Hey guys, what is up? My name is Jackable, and today we're going to play with my new birthday toy. It's an RC truck.
If you run over my toes, I will hurt you.
Like it?
Give him a close-up. Hold still.
What?
I said hold still. So you can give him a close-up. Wow, Kyle.
That never happened. It's fine.
Don't run over my toes.
I thought it was going to turn sharper. My other truck, I'm used to it turning sharper.
I'm like so scared that you're gonna run over my toes and my feet.
I will.
No, seriously, stop. I'll stand by you.
Kyle?
What the heck? Why does he do that, Dad? Do you know? Maybe I should back up slower. Dude, stop freaking out.
Who are you talking to?
Car.
Yellow. Hi, I don't like this. Ah.
Good, you're actually on.
Yes, I've been on. Hi, I actually really like this.
You catch that?
Yeah. Yeah. I might have caught it. I'm not definitely sure.
And watch the camera. Oh, that was cool. I'll pop the wheelie.
Oh my god.
Did it stop?
No. We should make a ramp.
Yeah.
Kyle, I'm gonna pause it.
Kids, well, that's gonna be the end of the video. The next
No, we're just gonna pause you for a second. We'll be right back. Playing. We are now going to attempt that to jump this. Can you see it? Yes, okay. Alright. Yay, we did it. Alright, come down. Wait, down, hurry. Hey! Butthead. Hold on. Get out of the way! Get out of the way, Kyle! Ramp it, hurry! Hi! Ramp it, ramp it, ramp it!
I do not have any. But those are the newcomers.
Yeah. New neighbors.
Don't run over yourself.
I don't think I caught all of that. Look at right here. I can definitely tell
Yeah,
now.
don't touch it, okay?
I'm not, yeah. Any slight movement could break it.
Yeah.
Like, just shatter it all in. I want to get a GoPro and stick it on that.
Let me go get my nails done.
Woo! I got that.
Okay, this ramp.
Let's see if we can get it higher.
Air. You need it. The ramp to be higher so it catches air.
Can you hold this?
No.
Please? Kyle, come here. Hold this. I'm gonna set this up.
You knew,
I don't know if it's gonna
the
work
physics
or not.
of jumping over shit.
Maybe. We'll see. You gotta go fast.
Kyle, go like back there.
Oh, you gotta have more speed than that.
Yeah, Kyle, come on, go like back there.
Hang on.
Are you having fun with this too?
No.
No. Alrighty.
I don't know if it's gonna work. That might be too big for it.
Is it playing?
Yeah, it's been playing.
You're gonna get hit.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Well, in theory, it would work.
See, she used to lay on her back and have it jump all over the top of the roof.
Are you crazy?
Or at least put the phone. Wait, this
On
is
that
about to die.
I'll go get my nails done.
This is about to die.
Right, hold on, I have an idea.
No, we're gonna do. Grace, this is about to die. We're gonna do a grand finale.
We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna like set it right here, get it to watch it. That way. Right here.
Now get that out of the way.
Why don't you guys play in Liz's driveway so you're not in the way?
Bye. Dude, jump off of that. Ramp off of that. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let me like set the phone right here.
Up on a tilt. Up on a tilt. So what I'm gonna do.
Alrighty.
You still playing?
Yeah. Let me like slant it down a little bit more. Alright, there we go. That's perfect.
Oh, Alright.
Sorry guys, it died. So
Yeah, that sucked butt cheeks.
so we'll try to do it next
We'll do
vid.
it next time.
Yeah. We'll do it next video.
No, not next video. Alright.
Well, bye. Just press pause.
Completely dying.